me ask you a question. What is Hmong? Is it a language? Is it a culture? Or is it a group of people?
Dude, we're late. You already hurry to get dressed.
It's Friday, yo. We're MCs. We're never gonna be late.
Can you hear me? Okay. Our MC is going to be a little bit late, so please be patient with us.
Guys are.
Welcome to Hmong Awareness Night. This is Nanya too. Good?
I can't see everybody
I
right
know,
now.
but Joe, what do you
Okay, I see them now. I see them now.
You know, how long has it been since we had Hmong Awareness Night, Peter? They y'all.
3 years, right, Chu? 3 years? I think so.
3 years.
You know, the last time HSA had a home awareness night, I was only a senior in high school. I was at my prom right now. I should go to my prom right now.
You are certainly dressed for it. I think whenever we had Hmong last, I was still a freshman. That was a long time ago, man. Very long time ago.
So why don't you introduce yourself to everybody?
My name is Alicia, and I am going to be one of your MCs tonight.
And I'm Chu Yang. I'm the activity coordinator of our HSA organization, and I'll be your other MC.
And my name is Peter Tao. I'm the current president of the Hmong Students Association. Let's see, what can I say? HSA started in 2002, so it's been over 10 years since Mr. B. Tao and his colleagues started this organization.
HSA has come a long way since then. I think we're doing a pretty good job too.
And
I see a lot of really familiar faces. It's kind of hard to see because it's but it's nice seeing everyone again. It really is. It makes me think about friends. Something about
you know,
No,
No, it's not. It's not a love song. No, it's not a love song.
oh, I got this one. I saw this when I was little.
Okay.
You got a friend.
You do, but that's not the song either.
You can't go wrong with Toy Story.
I know, but Paul, our friend Paul, he knows the song. I heard him sing it the other day.
Is it good?
He's very good. 你有冇神學聽啊？
You want to hear Paul?